scoring basically?
Well, our key coming to this game was our defensive game plan was to get good shots because the last game we had so many turnovers and we gave up 26 points of turnovers. So you cannot defend a turnover. That's very hard. So for us to help our defense, we had to make sure that we get good shots. That means we're taking shots. We're not throwing the ball or turning the ball over. And I think that's what happened in the fourth quarter. Except for the 2 turnovers of Jason, I thought we really took care. We got good shots. We did not make everything, but the key was if we're able to get good shots, we prevent Meralco from running the fast break where they're very deadly. And I think in the end, that allowed our defense, our half-court defense, to hold steady and give us opportunities to score, specifically Chris McCullough.
And now we open the floor to questions from the media.
First, congratulations. Si Chris nung game for struggle offensively but tonight, talagang mabilis na makabawi, almost more than half of his attempts for Knicks.
Yeah, because he played from the last game. He just had 2 practices with us. So now he's had the benefit of a game and an extra practice. So he just number one, he gets acclimatized with his teammates on what we want to do, but also just getting back to the swim of things here in the PBA. You know, this is a tough league. So I thought we were able to do a good job of pacing him in the first half. And he had legs in the fourth quarter, and that's all we needed. We get good shots, give Chris good looks, and that helps our defense tremendously.
Chris, congratulations. You said after game number 4 that once you get going, it will be scary. Tonight you proved that once you get going, you can lead the TNT to a victory.
Turn your phone off. Whose phone is that? But yeah, I said that, man. I just needed to get my legs under me. I had 2 weeks off from playing basketball, so I'm just happy to be back, happy to be playing, and the job is not finished. So
Yeah, need one more.
Coach, can you just talk about the difference of the team? Obviously, ball now with Chris McCullough, 2 very good imports with 2 distinct styles. Can you just talk about the differences and how your team has adjusted so far to Chris community?
Yeah, that's a great question because we finally got into a nice groove with Ball, figuring out how to play with him, and then suddenly we lost him. So we knew there was going to be a period of adjustment, but we had a lot of positive things from our loss. I know it was a loss, but we said if we just took care of the ball a little better, we could still have pulled out the win in the last game. So that gave us a lot of energy coming into this game because we knew, even with the adjustments that we had to make, that we were still in that ball game in game 4, except for our turnovers. And again, a lot of that is because of just getting used to playing with each other, especially with Chris. So hopefully this is the start. We still had a few turnovers to work on, but like Chris said, there's one more game. The job's not over.
Chris, you said the job's not finished. Got game 6 on Sunday. How do you expect Meralco to bounce back and try to force a game 7?
I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not even worried about what they got going on. Just focus on what we got to do. Tomorrow we go to practice and again work on things we need to work on. And just come out aggressive already. We came out today, we was very aggressive from the start, and that's what we got to go for next game.
Okay.
That's it.